Hi, I'm Roger Mills from Think IT Recruitment. I'm one of the co-founders, and we're here at the Intelliflo FinTech Exposed meetup tonight. Intelliflo are going to be looking at their financial services technology, looking at it from the inside. Intelliflo are a FinTech provider here in the UK, actually the fastest growing SaaS provider, and they work within financial services, specifically the IFA advisory market. Akhil Ahmed is the CTO and co-founder of Intelliflo. Tonight he will be speaking about FinTech, past, present and future, and the opportunities it presents to Intelliflo and the wider FinTech community.
The future of advisor tech is really interesting for us. So the key things that are currently happening in the industry is there's a big play around robo-advice, and we provide capability around that. But our perspective on the way that that's going to play out is we still think that advisors are going to have an absolutely critical role in guiding consumers towards the right type of advice. So we think there'll be a handoff process. The technology that supports that is the things that we're really focused on building and using.
At this event we have Pooja Santhraj with us. She's a QA manager at Intelliflo, and she's going to be looking at a day in the life of a QA engineer at Intelliflo and the work they do with continuous deployment.
At Intelliflo we do close to 20 deployments in a day. We're looking to scale this to about 60 deployments in a day once we expand globally. Of course, it is a challenge as to how we can take through so many deploys to production and keep up such a high cadence. We rely on a very sophisticated automation pack. We also look at having a strong DevOps pipeline, work with other teams in a very collaborative way.
Oren Halberthal is with us at this event, and he's a software development manager at Intelliflo. He's going to be looking at a day in the life of an engineer, a software engineer at Intelliflo, and also how they work with geographically distributed models in terms of their engineering departments.
When engineers join the company, it's really important for us that they kind of get into the rhythm of things as smoothly as possible. But we also want to build a sense of pride in them almost from day one. So we built an onboarding process where developers will come in on their first day, they will be buddied with one of our existing engineers, and then thanks to our to the way we build and deploy code, we can give them something that they probably won't get in many other companies, and that's something that it just makes them feel good about, the fact that I've only been here for a couple of days and my code is already running in production. I think it's a really good feeling.
We've had a fantastic evening with Intelliflo tonight. We've been learning all about their financial technology, how they're using that, people and processes involved as well. Best news is we do have another meeting. It's slightly different to what's been happening tonight. We'll be delving more into that technology. 12th of November, same place in Wimbledon. It'd be great to see you there.